a name forever rooted in the pioneering days of aviation. Now, a century later, our fascination for the miracle of flight drives us more than ever and makes Fokker Services the global aerospace service provider we are today. Innovative engineering is at our core, delivering services for various aircraft types, from modifications to orchestrating entire component availability programs. And with our extensive stock of parts, we're prepared for every situation. Our skilled, committed professionals repair components and aircraft to full reliability, testing every detail using advanced methods. Whether we maintain, upgrade, or engineer, we service each aircraft to help our customers reach the height of their ambition and keep their aircraft where they belong.